I did use a torque wrench, and I had it on the lowest setting that was in spec, or maybe 2 inch-pounds above it. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Had a little bit of a hiccup the other day. Was changing my oil, doing a 3-hole change. Went to put the derby cover back on, and snapped a screw. I did use a torque wrench, and I had it on the lowest setting that was in spec, or maybe 2 inch-pounds above it. And with no effort at all, that screw head snapped right off. It was strange. It wasn't even tight. I was able to reach down with my fingers and then screw. Luckily, it broke just the screw head off. I was able to just unloosen it with my fingers. I think it was a bad screw. Could be a bad torque wrench. I think it was a bad screw. So anyway, so I finished that, and I was like, I'm not going to chance it. And those 4 screws are probably hold enough, but I'm not going to chance it. So I ordered a new derby cover, and yeah, we're just going to put that on, and that's it. Just kind of looks cool. It's a stupid thing to happen, but it happened. Okay, now I'm just curious. I'm actually going to torque one of these other screws just to see what happens. Hopefully I don't break it off in there. But I want to see if it was just that screw or this wrench before we put the new derby cover on. So exercised it. Now I got it set to 90 inch-pounds. That worked. Look at that. That did not. So what is going on here? These are stock bolts. Are they bad? Or is this torque wrench bad? So that actually snapped 3 screws. But you can see it's not even tight. But guess it would be with the pressure from the seal. All right, let's put on a new one. So new derby cover. I'd waited a couple of days for this to come in. I got this from J&P, Performance Machine derby cover. I'll leave the link in the description. Let's put it on. I don't know if you can see this, but here I go, reading instructions again. And it tells me this is designed for high-performance motorcycle applications and are intended for the very experienced rider only. Not sure that I can use this. Anyway, going on down. I want to point this out so you don't think I'm crazy. Torque to 95 inch-pounds using a star pattern. 95. Should I go for it and try this torque wrench or just hand tighten it? So I just want to show a little quick comparison between these 2 screws. So that's the stock screw. That's the one that came with the Performance Machine derby cover. You can tell the head on this one is much more sturdy, or appears to be much more sturdy. Let's put them in. All right, so I'm actually putting just a little bit of anti-seize on here. Make sure they're not cross-threaded. That will ruin your day. Oh, this is a reminder. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm figuring it out as I go. Watching other people online. asking people at the shop, and just kind of figuring it out. So please, don't take this as a how-to. All right, 5/32 Allen in a star pattern. That's going to be what she gets. I realized after I put this on here, or as I was putting it on here, I actually don't have Allen sockets. So can't put that on a torque wrench. So it's getting hand torque. That's all right. I think it's pretty accurate. I've been doing this for minutes. All right. Let's fire it up. Hope it doesn't spray all out. All right. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, I really do appreciate it. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, leaving a comment. Tell me what you think, what I did wrong, what I did right, or just any pointers or comments for the community. All right, you guys take care. Stay safe. See you soon. Later.